Evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Apple County High School here in Baton Georgia. Today we're going to show y'all how to MIG, and we have a special guest named Marcus. Marcus, he's going to show us how to MIG. Oh, Marcus. Look. Marcus, what kind of machine is this?
This is a Miller CP302 CVDC welding power source. Miller welding. It's a MIG. Yeah, MIG welding. I don't think it can stick or TIG. It's a welder. This right here are your leads. This is your clamp. It completes the electrical circuit. This is the nozzle. This is the wire. Pretty sure it's proper wire. Press this button.
Hey Marcus, let me get a hit on this. Let me weld right here.
All right.
Yeah, man. All right, I'm gonna be getting ready. I'm gonna need to borrow your hood too. Oh yeah, let me borrow that hood right there.
And that's how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. MIG welding. All right. Now we're gonna let Bella try it.
Oh yeah, that's my favorite hood, boy. Yes, sir. Gotta get some room for Scooby here. No, mommy, wait. All right. Let me borrow your space here. I'm gonna turn my plate so I can get a good position on this here weld. Well, I tell you, I'm gonna go sideways this time.
All right.
But now, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna get my gun. I wanna stick right up here. Don't press the trigger. This trigger is what allows your wire to go through. With your ground, it makes the arc with this, and this is what makes your beautiful weld. Now I'm gonna stick up here. Since this ain't an automatic hood, I'm just gonna throw my hood down like this when I get it placed in where I want it. I'm gonna get up. Yee, son.
That's good. That's beautiful, son, right here.
I say it is.
Yeah. So as you were welding, I saw that you were doing circles. Is that right?
Yeah, I do circles. I mean, sometimes like you can even go back and forth like you're welding with a 60-10.
Hey,
it just
hey, bro, said like to get like a better one, like put like the phone inside your shield. That way you can actually see like the welding process.
All right.
I mean, that's or have somebody hold it. I mean, I don't know how you feel like. Watch out. It actually would boss, but yeah. Let me do another beat right there, real quick.
All right.
Can you record?
I got you right here, man. I got you. Edit.
After that, you help me with this. That's right. All right.
Tell me, sir, how long have you been sucking ding-a-ling?
About 5 years.
Damn, that's bad.
All right, yeah.
Just find another hobby.
On me. Thank you, Mr. Bella.
Boys, it's Scooby. Y'all want y'all to meet Scooby? Scooby, he keeps my head protected. You get you some of these, you get them at Tractor Supply Company. Some people make them. They're made in the USA. Around here back, so you know, people home make them. They are wonderful things. You can wear them all different kind of ways, just like a regular ball cap. Just keep your head protected. Alright, Edgar, show us what we have to do right here.
Alright, whenever your wire is too long, what you want to do, you want to kind of just pop it off. Alright, so I'm going to do this here. Whenever you're welding, you want to keep your gun straight up, because if you do that, it'll prevent from most of the slag to get stuck all over your beads, and that's going to just make it ugly. Alright. Put it in that hood. Yeah. Alright, let me get on that side. Alright.
3, 2, 1. Blast off.
Alright, boys. A little whipping paw action. No,
Grab some stuff.
that's some little circles right there, boys and girls. Thank you to our teacher McBride for teaching us how to weld. We have really.
If you got a job, we're looking at that.
Look at this weld. Tell me it ain't beautiful. Look at that. Pretty. Soft.
Perfect dookie.
Oh yeah. Alright guys, this has been ACHS and thank you for watching. Here with me I got Ryan Castile, Jake Bell,
Castillo.
yeah, and Eddie Bautista. And Martin Dane Claire back here.
Yeah, don't suck dick at home.
My God.
Alright. What'd you say?